What's up, you guys? Your girl Charlotte Potada, aka Shy Glizzy, back with another video. This video is gonna be, you could tell by the title what it's gonna be. I'm gonna be trying on some of my lip glosses that I have made. People would comment and they was wondering like how they look on your actual lips. They're gonna look different on everybody's lips because some people may have like darker lips. My lips are like, I guess, kind of pinkish brown, but some people have darker lips, some people have pink lips, some people have red lips. It depends on how your lips look naturally. I'm just gonna go ahead and try on some of the glosses. I got some wipes here so I can wipe off the previous gloss that I tried so y'all can see how they look on a fresh pair of clean lips. I'm gonna be trying on all these lip glosses for y'all. All my lip glosses. Some of them have my logo on it, some of them don't. So yeah, I'm gonna try on those glosses and y'all can feel to see how they look. And I'm gonna show y'all my inventory, stuff I got left. This just some of the glosses I have. These don't have a label on it yet. Yeah, this is some that I had left, and I still got I got a good bit of lashes left. So first gloss I'm gonna try on is this one. It's like a pink pigmented gloss with pink glitter in it. And this is my Party Girl gloss. I'm about to show y'all one with the label on it. This is my Party Girl gloss. I do like the Party Girl gloss because it's pink tinted and it also has a little bit of glitter in it, so when you put it on, the glitter isn't too loud or anything. It's not too, it's not too glittery. You can see the little specks in there, but it's not too much. And then you got pink tint, and I love pink tinted gloss, so I love this one. This is probably one of my favorites. We're gonna go ahead and try another gloss. Next one, we have my gloss Golden Rush. By the way, the names that I have for my glosses, I don't know if they're going to be like my official names. I'm still kind of testing out stuff, so we about to try this one on. Okay, so like I said, this is my Golden Rush gloss. It is golden pigmented, hence the name Golden Rush. I really love this gloss. I feel like it brings out your skin tone, no matter if you're light skin, dark skin, brown skin, yellow, red, blue. It brings out your skin tone. It gives me like queen type vibes. I really like it. It gives you like a shine, like, you feel me? This is one of my favorites as well. This one, oh my gosh, the formula is so smooth. Like, look, it's not sticking. It's so soft and smooth. This lip gloss made my lips feel so freaking soft, like a baby, like the bottom of a baby foot. That's how my lips feel with this lip gloss on. So the next one we're gonna do is Ruby. Ruby is a red tinted gloss. Now I used to wear a lot of red lipstick and lip gloss back in like high school, so I really like this one. I don't do red as much anymore. I don't know, I don't care for how it looks on me, but I love red tinted gloss. I don't really care for red lipstick anymore, but I love the gloss. So let me show y'all how Ruby looks. So this is my Ruby lip gloss. As you can tell, it is a red tinted gloss. Super duper cute. The formula for Ruby feels exactly how it feels for Golden Rush. I feel like it makes my lips look a little more plump too. So if you're like me and you don't care for red lipstick, red lip gloss, tinted gloss is the way to go. Go ahead and take this off. Now this one, I don't believe I put this one on my website, but y'all did see me make this one. I think this is the one that I call my Galaxy gloss. It's like a metallic. It reminds me of like metallic gloss. So you see it. So this lip gloss is really bold. I personally don't care for it on myself, but I did get a few people that liked the way this one looked. It does have purple glitter in it. I think I put blue glitter in it too. So it has like a little shimmer up in there. So yeah. The rest of these glosses, I could put them on for y'all, but they literally are kind of just like clear glosses. Some of them have a little tint to it. Like if you put a multiple layers on it, it'll have a tint to it. But these last couple are they're really just tinted clear glosses, you know. Let me try on this one. This one is my Barbiana gloss, and this one is on my website. And that's pretty much how the rest of them look too. Some of them have glitter, like the Barbiana gloss currently has like little specks of goldish yellow glitter in there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but little specks of yellowish gold glitter. And then I have this one. This was gonna be kind of like my Southern Peach gloss, because if y'all don't know, I am from Georgia originally, and I'm a peach, but I'm a Florida girl also. So, you know, I did like an orange peachy color, and it goes so well with my nails right now. But yeah, it comes on clear as well. This one does not have any glitter in it. Then I have this one. This is my Brat gloss, like the Brat style. So it's like my Brat gloss. It's more of a purple tone lip gloss, and it has specks of blue glitter in it. Again, it goes on clear, but it has a tint to it, and you can see the little specks of glitter in there. So that's pretty much it. Those are all my glosses. That one, those last couple are on my website as well. Now I do have this other one. This was my very first lip gloss I ever made. The video is on my channel. I still have it. I never made any more, but I think I want to, because I love this one. The only thing, since it was my first time making it, the formula isn't as smooth as the other glosses, but I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. This is like a real tinted pink. I love this, but I be having to mix it with other lip gloss just to make it smooth out a little bit, because it's a little thick. This was the very first lip gloss I ever made. So if I do recreate this one, I'm definitely gonna add in some different oils and different things to smooth out the gloss, because it's pretty thick. Like, see, you can see that. So I don't like that, so I will have to change up the formula a little bit. And there was one more I made. Let me see if I can find it. So this is another one I made. It's like a really hot pink slash red mixture. I think I only made 2 of these, and I use this one almost every day for work. It actually, in my opinion, relates more to a lip oil than a lip gloss because it's kind of runny. So that is this one. I'm obsessed with this one. I'm gonna figure out what I use in this because I honestly don't remember. I was just playing around with colors and oils and I came up with this and I love it. Like I said, it feels more of like a lip oil than a lip gloss, and it's very moisturizing. It lasts a long time. I wear it to work and stuff like that. This is a lip gloss I wear on a daily basis. As you can see, I don't use it a lot. Like, it's almost gone. I'm gonna be making some more, like, y'all know my business is not super official yet. I'm still kind of just in the works of trying to get everything together and where I want it to be, but I am still selling products. I do have my website up. You can order lashes and lip gloss on my website. I still have a ton of lashes left. I got lip gloss, lashes, you know, go get y'all lip gloss and lashes. I kind of want to sell those before I start to make something new, but I'm so anxious to make something new, so I might just say whatever and make something new. So that's just it on that. I hope y'all did enjoy this video and get a gist of how the lip glosses look, so you can decide if you want to order some. I do want to add, I'm definitely going to be looking into making some nude colored lip glosses, because if you know me, you know I love me a nudish, pinkish, brown mixture for my lip color. I'm gonna put in the picture right here so y'all can see what type of lip color I mean, or what type of lip combination I mean. I love to use a brown lip liner with like a pinkish peachy gloss. That's definitely gonna be one of the colors that I'm gonna try to achieve, because the picture I just showed y'all, that was a brown lip liner mixed with, I think, 2 different glosses, I believe. Or either it was one of my favorite lip glosses from Revlon, I think, and I mix it into the lip liner to get that color. That's going to be something I try to achieve with some nude color lip glosses. Hopefully they come out right and perfect, because I love nude lip glosses. I'm also going to be making lip scrubs very soon. I was been supposed to make them. I still have all my lip scrub containers from the inventory video I posted. I'm just really trying to get everything together. It's kind of hard now because I do work a full-time job. I do want my business to be something I'm successful in. However, I do have a family to feed, so of course I have to work right now until my business can take off. So right now I am working a full-time job and I'm a full-time mom, so you know, I just have to do what I have to do until I can get to the place where I want to be, and hopefully that will be this year. I'm speaking it into existence, so I'm just super duper excited to see where this year takes me. I have a lot in store for myself and for my kids, but I don't even want to keep rambling because this rain is starting to get a little crazy out there or whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Oh, I'm sorry to keep going back. Let's rewind on the outro real quick, because I did have this question in my comments too. A girl was asking me about the lip colors. That's another reason I want to make this video. When you're trying to make your lip gloss, if you're going for an actual color, you want the color to show up on your lips, you want to use more mica powder or mica powder, whatever is, however you call it. I think it's called mica powder. You want to use more of the liquid or the powder for the color, because that's how you're gonna get your color on your lip. If you don't use that much, it's gonna show up in color. Like, you're gonna see the color. You see this color, you see it, but when I put it on my lips, it looks clear. That's because I didn't use a lot of powder in here. If you want to show up on your lips, use powder. So I just want to add that in there real quick before I end this video. But again, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. We are on the road to 3,500 subscribers. I currently have about 3,200 something. So thank y'all for subscribing and supporting me. Y'all have no idea how much I appreciate it. Make sure y'all turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my posts, period. I love y'all, and I will see you in my next video.